When I first had it put in, I couldn't believe it was ours. I kept driving up to the house and thinking, in a minute I'm going to wake up. It makes me really happy. So the original front door was wooden, had a single Yale lock on it and a letter plate that my children would shove their arms through to unlock the door and let themselves in. So from the minute we moved here, we knew that we wanted to do something. We came and chose the Origin front door for all its security reasons, and it makes me feel safe. When you turn the key and remove it, you know that it's completely secure. You can walk away from your house happy. Yeah, my children need to remember their keys.
So our original door was wood. It was quite chunky, quite big, and it had a lot of carvings on the back. It was very nice, but it wasn't really our style. Our new door is lovely. It looks lovely. It just has such a lovely feel to it, and it all just clicks into place. All you have to do is just one lock and you can see that it locks all the way down the door. It feels really secure.
We have immediately noticed the impact on the way the heat stays in the house. Also, the noise is so much better.
It worked really well having the piece of glass at the side, but we've also got some glass within the door, and then it brings the light into our hallway, which is really nice. We're really pleased with the colour. There is lots of greys to choose from, but this particular grey works really well with the white of our house and our garage door and the windows. It all seems to blend really well.
I've chosen a slate grey front door with a aluminium trim on it that's got some silver lines and a bar handle which finishes it off completely and gives it that modern touch without it being too modern. I don't think I gave anyone else any choice in that. That was the one I picked, and the hinges and stuff were all colour-coded because I wanted them to vanish as far as I could into the background.
It just makes me excited when I look at my door, and it just looks so lovely, and I feel very spoilt having it. I feel like we've upgraded. It really makes the house.
It just changes the feel of the place. The house is something I'm now proud to come home to. I like it when people come over. I'm proud of the way it looks, the style that we've gone for, the finish that we've created. It's my home. Couldn't be happier.